All right, so today we are going to discuss these two wires that are going to be put into the white connector. This is where the main wiring harness from the engine comes through. Right now I just kind of have everything sitting here. This is my old computer. My computer for the Hemi should be here in the next few days or so. Ship out here in the next day or two, hopefully. So first thing is we got to do is we got to pull the back side of this connector off. There's going to be 4 tabs that come off. Mine's very brittle and I broke 2 of them. So I'm going to probably use a tad bit of just a touch of super glue so that way I can put the cover back on. But I already took the cover off. 3 of the 4 broke because everything's so brittle on this Jeep, it seems like. All right, so and then what we do is we gently pry this piece back. It'll unsnap off the sides. Just be very careful, very gentle. You only need to get it just enough. There's a little, you can see these little there's 4 black little lines right there. Those are little plastic tabs. One needs to be broken off so that you can feed the wire through. The back side of this harness does have numbers. They're going down the edges on each side, labeling 1 to 10. The other one's going to be 11 to 19. And then the other one's going to be 20 to 29. And then the last, or to 28. And then the last one's going to be 29 to like 38, I do believe. So anyhow, so we need to tap in from going from 1 over. It'll say number 1, left to right. We're going to tap in our C3-8 into number 8. And then on the very bottom is where we're going to count down. We're going to have 29. And we're going to, on the same one, when you're looking away from the plug like this, you'll look on the side, it'll say 29. And then you'll count from there, 29, 30, 31, all the way to 33. You're going to break that little tab out, and then you're going to put 33 in. What you want to make sure is this red tab, you put a little flathead in there and just gently pry out, and that'll stop right against the black, which is more than enough. And then you can see where I put in number 8, which is the 3rd one over from the top. And then you can see where I put in the number 33 one, which is to the left of the 3 blank ones. So, so it's pretty simple. You just slowly push this back on, it'll snap into place. Then we can put the cover back on and then plug the little pigtail back into the wiring harness that was sent with Jeep Speed and plug it into your PCM, ready to rock and roll. That's all there is to it.